Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6087. This ran from 02 2021 to the current shape. It has a D4HD 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HD 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, buttons, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,